We are currently on this beach because today we're going to show you why you don't need to do an excursion to see the sardines and turtles. So make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, because we're going to give you all the little tips we pick up along the Philippines travels. We'll see you in there. Bye for now. And we're going in. If you can see all the people behind me, that's as far as you've got to go out, guys. So as you've just seen on the camera there, guys, I'm currently stood up, but there's a big drop off, and that's how far we are from the beach. And as soon as you get to that drop off, that's where you'll find the turtles and sardines. Easy as that. Let's go. No turtles yet, but as you can see, plenty of bloody sardines. Woo. Right, I'm gonna go back in for a bit. So absolutely shattered, keep diving down. And then we'll pop back out soon. The hardest bit is getting in and out without going on your arse. But James Bond, eat your fucking heart out. This is how you're supposed to do it. Sure I can sit down. Shall I have a sit down on the float? Oh wow! Oh. Ooh. Okay, I'm sort of back on dry land. Oh, you sexy, what, specimen of a man. What are you laughing at? Do you not agree? Yeah.
More to something stinging my leg.
Something stung you? You want to piss on you? Yeah, later. Right then, guys. Well, that just shows you that you don't need to do. I'm not going to say it because there's nothing that's on me, but you don't need to do what I said. Thousands of them. So I say I'm going to go back out in a bit. I'm going to try and find a turtle for you. But if I insert no more clips, I didn't find a turtle. So, for now, we will say,
Whatever you say. See ya.
See ya. We're going to enjoy the rest of the day, and there's more videos to come, so make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Obviously, when you're doing the sardines, it's best to get a mask and snorkel. There's loads of shops, literally, all the way down here, and they rent the masks for 100 and the flippers for 100. I'll show you quickly where we got ours from. It's literally right opposite the alleyway where we've gone down to the beach. Like I say, all the prices are the same no matter where you go. So it doesn't matter which shop you go to, they are all the same. But if you look, this is the alleyway where we walk down. And then that's where we got our masks from. Hello. And hopefully we'll show you how safe it is to leave stuff, because just there is our snorkel gear, and we've just been for breakfast and left it. Whew. Right, I've had a quick breather. My plan of action now is, I don't know if you're on 360 or not, you are. So, there's a load of folk over there, and there's a load of folk over there. So I think I'm going in over there, and I'm going to drift down, because I've just got a feeling that the myrtle turtles might have wanted to come away from the groups. That's the plan. I'm going out, and I'm not coming back until I find one for you. What do you reckon, Sexy? She's just fucking sunbathing. Well, she's not really, because it's a bit cloudy, but she's waiting for me to find a turtle. And then I'm going to wave my flag and go, woo! Right. See me out there. I'm not turning the camera on until I find one. Bye. Oh, well there you have it, guys. You can see turtles. Massive turtle. I am buzzing. If you can't tell, I am absolutely ecstatic. I can't see because my glasses are in there. I've come out all in a fluster. But that was incredible. Hopefully the footage is alright. So I've not got a dive case on this. So, but I've definitely got some bits of it. Absolutely huge turtle. There you go. Don't book it. Just go straight out there and see. For more of this, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will see you
The next one.
on the next one.